Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair tutorial for you guys. It is my curly to straight silk press. So we're just going to jump right into the video. Right now I am just checking out the strength and current state of my hair and give you guys pretty much a shot of what my hair looks like with no product in it, and it's been like this for a couple of days. So it needs some tender love and care. So I'm going to start out with using my Pantene Curl Protection shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to wash my hair thoroughly. So as you see, I wash my hair off camera, and I'm just sectioning my hair into 4 sections so that way I can make sure I can distribute my deep conditioner that I'm going to put into my hair evenly around my head. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the back. This is the TGI Miracle Repair CPR Treatment Cream. It is a deep conditioner, so I parted my hair into 4 sections and then made smaller subsections to just make sure all of the hair is evenly coated and product is distributed. So I took this detangling brush that I got from my local beauty supply store. I absolutely love this brush. I had it for a couple of years, but it does the best work for my hair. So I'm giving you a close-up of what my hair looks like with this product in it. So my curls are still bouncy, my curls are still, good and strong. So I'm just going to put this and repeat this step, add additional water because my hair was starting to dry. And we're going to repeat this step all around our head to make sure all of our hair is completely saturated with this product, to make sure we get the best deep condition possible before straightening our hair. Just because we want to make sure we want to put moisture into our hair since we're about to take it out with a deep condition with straightening. So I twist all 4 sections up and put a plastic cap on my head. I put 2 on there. I know you guys heard about this method before. And I put 2 caps on there just to make sure it seals in all of the heat. And I put my scarf on my head because the item that I'm going to use next, it tends to get very hot. I got it off of Amazon, and it tends to get hot on my head, so I just want to make sure I have some protection there to not burn my scalp. This you put in the microwave, and it has heat beads in it, so it heats up and protects your hair and deep conditions it. So now that I washed that out, I left it in for an hour. I'm using the Pantene conditioning mist, and I'm just spraying that on my hair because, again, we want to make sure our hair has a lot of moisture in it before we blow dry and straight iron and flat iron. And this is a heat protectant by Pantene. As you've noticed, I've used a lot of Pantene products in this video. This is the L'Oreal Blow Dry It Quick Dry Spray. This smells so good. I absolutely love it, and it has like a oil kind of layer to it. I didn't know that before purchasing it. It was my first time using it, so this is why I bought this, the Argan Oil by Morocco, because I love how this makes my hair shine. And I'm just using the praying hand method to distribute that and just put a little bit extra on my ends because my ends tend to be dry. And you just want to thoroughly detangle your hair and also just make sure that product is distributed to every strand of your hair. And again, I'm parting my hair into subsections because we want to make sure that our hair is extremely straight and make sure we have a good blow dry. This is the foundation of having a very, very good silk press. So you want to make sure that you thoroughly detangle your hair and you work in small sections. I just added that Argan Oil spray because I love sheen. I was showing you guys the original attachment that I tried to use. I went to my local beauty supply store. It was supposed to be universal, but it did not fit my blow dryer, so there's that. Otherwise, I would have used that attachment. So I'm putting a little bit of tension on my hair using my brush and my hand to put a little bit of tension at the ends of my hair and blow drying my hair straight down. This allows the hair to not only straighten out, but not put too much direct heat onto your hair. And once I got the top part of my hair dry as much as to the point that I like, I go ahead and I start to brush my hair out in different strokes. Like, see how I'm bringing the hair out, flipping it, just to make sure I'm getting it as straight as possible. So of course I did the rest off camera just for the sake of time. And I actually switched my blow drying method just to save time, because I had already been an hour in, or maybe like 45 minutes into blow drying my hair. So I did go ahead and put the pick attachment onto the blow dryer just for this section, and it works just as well. So now I'm using my Infinity, what are these things called? Flat irons by Patene. And I put the setting on to 410 because the setting under that, my hair doesn't really get dry. I mean, it doesn't get as straight as it possibly could. It just ends up looking like a blowout, really. So I'm sectioning my hair into 3 sections, and I'm detangling my hair. And I did add a little bit more of that Argan Oil just to make sure my hair is shiny after I finish straightening it. That is the best feature about silk press, is that you want your hair to look extremely shiny. So make sure you continue to detangle, and you want to put these into subsections, very, very small subsections. This is a brush that I got. I'm not sure where I got it from. I got it a couple of years ago, but it's the same thing as the chase method. So I touch the roots up just a little bit, and then I go down the shaft of the hair one time. And you see it smoking because I have tension not only on my hair, but also on the flat iron. You don't want to put too much tension, but you want to put enough tension so that your hair will actually get straight. These are the steps that I take because I am fully natural. You might not have to take these steps if you are a relaxed girl. Most importantly, the ends you need to make sure the ends are detangled before you get to them. And I just repeat this step all over my head. I'm not putting any bends to my hair as of yet. I kind of do that at the end, but I'm giving you guys a close-up shot as to see how straight my hair was from the roots all the way to the end. And I lost the clip where I actually did my edges, but I part out my edges and I use my flat iron to get in. After I've straightened my entire head, I go ahead and I put a bend to the end of my hair. This kind of reminds me of like the 90s silk press and also how my mom used to do my hair. But I love this style just for the holiday season. My hair is already cut in layers, so it looks so good, and it just makes the hair look voluminous. So you can see the difference as what it looks like on one side versus the other side. And also, just to note, I turned the flat iron down, the heat down on the flat iron to do this, because this is applying heat to my ends twice. And here's a close-up look of how it looks. Absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is my version of the best silk press that you can get when you are home for naturals. This is my DIY silk press. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and what steps you do when you do your silk press. Thank you so much again.